Hi. Uh, these are the watch list for tomorrow that I am observing. So, in simple way that I will explain about that how I have analyzed. So I'm just looking my view based on a pivot and all, and also these are the EMA lines which 100, 60, 50, 100, 50 and 200 EMA. This one is a 200 and this one is a 100, this one is 50. So I won't use a 21, 20 something because it makes me a lot of noise, and also that it doesn't respect the proper. And also see the Titan I have observed for tomorrow is as a sell side only, not a buy side. And it's my view, it's my personal view. It's not for the it's not for your entry purpose, it's for a knowledge purpose only, to just have a test and to have a monitored proper in manner. So I have already spent it almost 2 hours to analyze this all those things, and these are the my chart that I usually preferred trading view only, which I use a pro version. And I love that because it's very user friendly, and it's very handy to, like, it's very easy to use. And also see here, these are the red flags which I made for the just for the prediction of for tomorrow as a sell side, and these are for buy side, and just it's my view in but the morning that when the before 9:30 there will be a lot of noise, so volatile, so I cannot expect that to after 9:30 the momentum will get a start, or either whatever the reversal and all, so it's going to be. And but for my view is for Titan is tomorrow, I have already placed the alert at around 969, which I am going to sort if it made a high above this one. So I am going to sort. If it started reversing from here, then I am going to sort once the market got opened, or in around 9:30 to 9:20. I'll try to enter based on a Nifty and sentiment reaction. And the walk pharma itself also that I have viewed. Actually this, please ignore this guys, because it's, I don't know, it's even morning that I had sorted this one actually. So but I forgot to close this. It was just test only, I forgot to close. I sorted around somewhere here maybe, and then the target, there was no target at all, so I forgot that to close, and it was in profit also. It came down and again it reversed back, still it was a profit because it closes here, so it was a profit only. But anyhow, no problem, just ignore this. And this also work pharma also for tomorrow I have a short view only, so I am looking based on a short view only. If the markets consolidate, or maybe if it makes a low of somewhere around at this level, and then it will try to start a momentum from this area 15, it will start momentum from here towards upside. And if it started making high around this level, I have a two levels, which is first one is around here or here, but here I have placed the short level, which I am pretty sure that either it will go here and it will touch. Once it touched, my order will get execute automatically to the my another platform, which is my real account, and also another I use for test. And this is also for test only. This only I prefer this for testing purpose only. So this this whatever entry and all. So here tomorrow I am going to sort it here somewhere around. If it started reversing from here itself, then I am going to sort by keeping SL of around 721 to 724. Maximum my SL will be almost 4 point, and also my maximum profit will be almost 2% to 1% that I am expecting almost 8 points. Suppose if I have a 4 point of SL, then I am expecting 8 points to 7 points or 5 points, but above 1% that I am expecting. So it is based on that on. Yeah, so sorry, see here, here I won't tell anything about target and all, because I never look for any target. I just try to trail only, or I will close directly. That's it. Once I got the 1% of my expectation, that's it. I will close, or I'll be keep trailing. If I got a good probabilities that will fall some more or some. So this is my view for Titan and walk, and also I'll show you Titan and walk as a Nifty. I'll show you. So Nifty, usually Nifty, it's trying to form, it's trying to break this level and all, and either it will bounce from here itself, or it will, the most that I see here, actually, to be frank, I'm expecting this level, around this level, Nifty to be fall at around 788 or above, below this level. I'm expecting for tomorrow. 10770 is my tomorrow expectation for downside, not upside. Okay, so this is my Nifty view. So if the upside, the move, if it gives, then I would probably say that I'm not expecting for upside, to be frank. So it may dance between 108,350 or below only, 10850 only, 10850 below only it will dance, I'm expecting. But if the call side, the right, if the short, if people are short covering their hedge, then I would probably say that it will go up, because I can't say 100% sure, but my view is bearish only for tomorrow. And about a Bank Nifty, that Bank Nifty also I'm looking probably almost around at this area. Why I am telling this area, that because of the 100 EMA as well and 200 EMA as well. And also if you see the here, you got a good support at around here, this side. So here the probably it should get support here. Why I am using two chart, because it makes me more reliable, that it makes me easier to understand everything. And once I change the chart, that's it. When this is 15 minutes, this one is 1 hour. So I won't use any other chart. I use a proper this one only. So these are my view for this. Bank Nifty is probably for downside I am looking for, not upside. If one simple things I'll give you guys, for you, either you enter or not. I'm not telling to enter, but please observe these things. 12740 area and 2740 area, it's going to hit tomorrow. If it got hit, you cannot catch this, I know. You cannot catch this one, I know. But you can buy a call option at around this strike, and once if it fall here, then you can do for a positional. So it is good for Monday as well. So that's my view. So why I am telling is there is a lot of behind this, because I have already seen that option data which I am pretty sure that it will bounce. So that is why my main concept is to enter in a reversal basis, so and following the proper pivot levels. And pivot levels, you guys can see these are the yellow line is a weekly and these are the daily. So it's normally that daily will not be much effect, but weekly will much be effect. Like this, you can see from R2 it started got reverse. So I don't have to tell a lot of story about it. So already in previous video that I have informed everything, I have explained everything, so I will not. So I'm expecting here to be fall. If it falls around here, I'm going to go for a call option. I'm going to go for a call option here, and in Nifty I'm going to go for a 10750 call. Would be probably it will be helpful if it falls 10 around this level. If it falls this level, you guys see the proper both chart. Why my cursor is moving, because to show you the both things. So that is my reason. So here in this area that I am looking for, why? Because here there is a support zone and also the 200 EMA support, which breaking this level is a much tough, because a lot of people and FII and DII that they are focusing the well, that which I can assume and I can predict much easier. So that's my view. So that's it for I think I have not given for buy side. Let me give one. Just view only I am giving. I am not telling that I am a sure 100% guy, but I can't even say that, right? So I am doing, why I am analyzing, why I am keeping alert and everything. It's because I am going to do the same things. So the only things is I am documenting and I am sharing these things in my video, that which it helps a lot of people. It's all about people. They have a lot of negativity and positivity, who are really interested to be follow the momentum, to be follow the reversal, to be follow the pivot levels. Yes, they will understand easily, but who are not really interested, who are only they have a greed only, I think I can't help them. So that's my view. So whatever this I see, if you see the Tata Steel, see the Tata Steel probably it's looking for a upward side, but also it has a lot of as I checked the option data, which it's looking for the consolidating zone, means a downside slightly, but I'm having the levels here and here. So once the level got hit, then I'm going to take action to which side. So based on that only I'll work. So that's it for today. So if you have any doubt, you can comment, and if you have any, I think I will not be, I'm not going to give a comment, I think, because I don't have that much of time, because I have a lot of things to do, and it's this is just I'm analyzing and making video. It remember me for tomorrow as well, that is what. So it remembers for me for tomorrow as well, and I will understand everything, and I have a lot of things and to say and to acknowledge the people that and to make aware, but I think it will be against other people who are usually they are doing. I don't want to blame anyone. I am an individual trader that whatever I am earning, that is enough for me. Whatever this video I am documenting, I am sharing, this is only for there who are really seeking to learn in a proper. I think professional will never learn this, they will just see and they will ignore, but who are a beginner, they will understand if they are really interested in this way. And also my ways to minimize the loss and maximize the profit. In one profit, if we got 1% to 1.2%, that's it. We don't need to enter in any other things. Means suppose if I am entering in this at around 480, then if I am getting a 1%, then how much it will be? 484 point something it will be, right? Means 4 point I got, right? So so in this way only that I am looking for. So basically I am looking for 1.23%, which 0.20% I am assuming that for brokerage and all, and 1% for myself. And so that way I am going. I never see the scalp on this one for 1.2